There we go. All right, so we are live. So here we go. Here we go, guys. Let's see. So over here we have, this is IPA right here. And this was on the watch list earlier. It dumped. This one over here, same. This is NEHC, except it pumped. Did this little inverted head and shoulder pattern right here. And then it rocked. So hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I'm not seeing a stream yet. Let's see, I've got upcoming. Let's hit live again. Let's see if it will show me. There we go. There, I am live now. We'll go ahead and fill that volume there. Perfect. So now I am on the live stream. Hey, hello, Ellie. All right, so hopefully you guys can see me. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. And we can move on. So we can get some more of this, some more of these alerts out. So again, we're watching NEHC right here. We're watching IPA right over here. Ripping, it looks like it wants to hit the volume weighted average price and possibly get above it. The only thing I would say about IPA is be careful. They got a notification of deficiency back in August. So, and I don't see any notice that I don't see any extensions filed. They're deficient in minimum bid price. As you guys can see over here, NEHC, this was last night when we were in after hours. So that price target was acquired from last night, right? And then also the watch list that went out. The watch list on Eli. That's right, Eli. Sorry, Eli. Anyways, so yeah, so that price target was acquired. What's up, my TikTok folks? Let me see if I can make something a little brighter here. There we go. Now I can see all your comments. There we go. I can see your comments there, and I can see Eli's comments on YouTube. We are streaming on YouTube, and we are streaming on TikTok now. So here is IPA making a move past the volume weighted average price at 72 cents here. So let's see if it wants to keep going. I'd say it's probably going to bump its head. If it can get past the volume weighted average price, I'd say it's going to bump its head at 74 cents. Over here, we have NEHC. Move that over here. NEHC hit that first price target. And what was my price target on this, on the watch list? I can't remember. 462 was the price target on the watch list. 520 was the price, or 517 was the price target on the live yesterday. So hopefully you guys can hear me okay. Hopefully YouTube can hear me okay. I don't really know if they can or not, but hopefully that's working out well. All right. Let's see. IPA moving right up there. So that one also hit the price target. There's the price target that was on the watch list there, 85 cents. So that's nice. So let's see if it wants to retrace. You see how it did this triple top and then crashed? Yeah. Hopefully it wants to get back up there. It's at 76 cents right now. All right, let's take a look at some of this stuff out here. I'm freezing cold. I don't know if you guys can tell. Oh, man. What a good time. Eli says, jumped in MYNA. Can you check? Yes, I can hear you. Perfect. Good. All right. So here is MYNA. So MYNA, it is still bullish, as you guys can see here. Still moving upwards like that, which is great. Kind of trading in a little bit of a channel that it broke through right here to 69.6. then right back down, hit 62.7. So you're looking for a breakout of 62, 63 cents roughly. That's what you're looking to break. If you can break 62 cents, I believe you might have another chance at a new high on MYNA. Right now, there's no volume. It's very slow, but you do have your MACD over here. Your MACD is turning green, starting to cross a little bit underneath the 0 line. RSI isn't at 50 yet. It's trying. Yeah, you need more volume. This thing's looking a little slow. So another good thing about me doing this on both YouTube and TikTok, the part about the YouTube is that it automatically gets saved into video. You guys can rewatch it as the day goes on. If I do some technical analysis on here that you guys are like, oh God, that'd be great to see again, you guys can rewatch it on YouTube. So that's pretty cool. It's one of the benefits. So I finally have it all set up for my YouTube peeps. I've got this set up right here. Look at that. Looks pretty cool. And then there's the web, so I can show J-Rock stock stuff like I do there without having to really do much. NEHC has taken a beating. So here's both screens again. Here's NEHC. It hit 534 and then decided to come on down. So what I tell people to do, and this is actually one of the smartest things you can do if you are charting, if you are trying to, figure stuff out, keep a ledger, obviously keep a little journal, but look at the candlesticks that popped up right before it reversed. That's going to help you learn candlesticks and what candlesticks are bad and what candlesticks are good. So again, you have these big top wicks, right? Little tiny wick here, big wick here, small wick, but continuously big wicks up top. And then over here, it broke down completely. So, all right, there's that. There's NEHC. Hopefully it wants to recover. Looks like it's got some support about 474. It's trying to find support right here at 480. So we'll just keep searching. So let's go back to the Zscanner. All right. Come on now. Got so much stuff going on. It's come on. There we go. All right. So there's NEHC. If you guys want to see what YouTube's like, go to YouTube, check it out. I think it's the same. Let me say hi to everybody here. Let's see. What do we got? All right. Here we go. Wow, lots of messages already. 110 of you in here, so I appreciate you. Let's see. So, who do we have in here? Lorenzo, we got Edub, Matthew, Ballard, we got Damney. All right, what's up? How you doing? All right. What's up, JD168? Yeah, let's go. Thanks for sharing the live. Fired up pizza. Nice. Let's go. All right. What's up, Dwight? Good morning. Man Legend 1. Good morning, Debbie. ASST blew the roof. ASST was moving nicely today. Yes, it was. Here's ASST. Whoop, where'd it go? Recent. Man, I already looked at so much stuff today. Jeez. All right, let's change the stuff here. The music needs to be a little bit better. I don't like the slow stuff. Let's go. Let's do some green onions. All right. Okay, let's keep going here. What else we got? What's up, David Hoff? What is up, Debbie? IPA, nice money. Yes, I'm glad you made some money on that. That price target couldn't have been better on IPA. It literally hit 86 and came right back down. ASST hit 183, came back down. Guys, some of these watchlist stocks are doing pretty good. All right, so here we have ASST. If Just kind of messing around right now, coming back down to the 200 EMA. Whoops, not asset. There you go. All right. So we're watching, we're trying to see what else is gonna move here. I don't know if you guys noticed, but Joby's back over $9 again, just barely. All right, let's see. If you guys are on YouTube, say hello. Don't be scared. What's going on here? All right, cool. It didn't freeze. It looked like it froze. Cool. Okay. Good morning, Fred Allen on YouTube. Awesome. All right, so we're getting better. We're getting there. It's slowly getting better. We're trying some stuff. We're trying some stuff. All right, so let's see what else we can get into here. Any other stocks running? Checking the scanners. All right. IPA, STC, IPA, STC. That's all I see right now. So ASST trying to bounce off the 200 EMA. NEHC just kind of hanging out, not really doing much. The volume kind of came out. The MACD is bright red, as you guys can see down there. Man, what about that TPET yesterday, huh? That thing blew the roof off. Made money. You never know how long to hold them. LOL. Green is green. Mike Johnson. So yeah, green is green. Profit is profit. The thing is you can start to know when to, well, I guess when to fold them, because you never know when to hold them or when to fold them, kind of thing. You can kind of find that out. You can figure that out by looking at the MACD. Now, I know this is a little delayed right here, but you see where it starts to cross over? That's usually where you want to get out, okay? Or when it starts dropping on the RSI, when you start seeing weakness in the stock, meaning the volume starts coming down. So if you look here, you've got a perfect sign of what's going on. Look at the volume. The volume right here. So it pumps, right? So it goes nice and high. Awesome. You look at the volume. Volume's coming in. Volume's coming in. Look what happens when the volume starts coming out. Look at your ticker. Look what's going on. Look at these candles. They're going down. It's because the volume's coming down. All right. So now if you look again here, now you got some green candles right here. NEHC looking pretty decent right there. All right, bouncing off of there. Now it looks like it wants to move. And again, your volume's starting to come up. Your MACD's turning dark red. You've got the RSI coming back over 50. So that's looking pretty good there. All right. MOBX. Now, the only thing I will have to tell you guys about with the YouTube right now, I'm not 100% good with everything. I'm still trying to figure everything out. So if I don't answer your comments on YouTube, I apologize. I'm still focused on TikTok here. All right, so there's NEHC. Again, just watch the MACD, watch the RSI, and then obviously just I know you guys aren't used to just looking at the volume weighted average price, but that'll tell you a lot too. That'll show you which direction, which the strength is going. Let's take a look at IPA again here. Look at that. IPA 97. Holy crapola. That one blew the target right off, huh? Nice. Well done. Again, I would be careful with IPA. Looks like it came out with some news. Trade higher after company announced to develop new class GLP therapies using its lens platform. Gotcha. All right. So again, be careful. It has to get up over $1 because it's not compliant right now with the NASDAQ. And I feel like an ass because I said it was going down to 55 over here on it went down to 58. So I guess I was kind of close, but kind of sucks. I told people, I was like, hey, be careful, be careful. Ooh, hot coffee. Yeah. All right. So there's that. So IPA is still kind of moving around. NEHC kind of moving around as well. Looks like it wants to go for a little run here. What else do I have? IPA, BX, maybe. All right, let's take a look at some more comments here. Hit the like, hit the follow, hit the share, guys. I appreciate every single one of you. We are growing. We are almost there. We're almost to 1,000. He's cooking eggs and bacon. Go J-Rock. What's up, Ocean Black? How you doing, man? Have you looked into Clapper as another platform to stream from? I have not looked at Clapper. No clue there, Joe Maya. Hey, thank you, Viper, for the hearts me. What is that RSI? The RSI there? That's the RSI. This is the RSI. This is the relative strength index. Hey, what's up, K9? IPA. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah, hope you guys made money. I mean, shit. I could only call them out for you. Good morning, Urshel Marshall. Good day, Sui Chaka. All right, Hank. Good morning, BBAI. NHC took my 36% overnight off. 371. Nice. Get it. Get it, guys. If you guys are making money, throw some fireballs in the chat. If it was from the watch list, awesome. What's up, Cree? Good morning. All right, looks like MOBX is making some moves as well. Here's NEHC moving. Let's check out MOBX real quick. There's MOBX moving nicely here. Why? What's the news? Anything? Mobix Lab shares trading higher after company announced it. Acquisition of electrical components producer SCP Manufacturing. Okay, cool. I hope I fixed the problem, the freeze problem, because yesterday's freeze really threw me off there. All right, let's see. I guess IPA is still running. Be careful with IPA, ladies and gentlemen. It will take your money if you let it. Oh man, profits on the way up, right? Take profits on the way up. Always take profits on the way up. What else we got? 105 IPA. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Remember, don't FOMO. Don't FOMO into these things, because you do, it's going to take your lunch money. It's going to rob you, you know? But right now it's moving nicely, so just keep that in mind. But this light here is kind of bugging me a little bit. I don't know if I've got it too bright, too bright in my eyes. That's a little better, maybe. No. What? That might be better. Okay, I think I'm okay. It's okay. I'm a limo driver. All right, well, there you go. So now let's see if IPA, now it's above $1, so it's got to stay above $1 for a little bit. All right. Let's go, guys. Make that money. Nice. I got some money bags there. Debbie, good job. What's up, guys? What's up, Bassett? J-Rock, ASST. What was the news on ASST? I don't know. Right now, IPA is the mover. Let's see. ASST. All right. No news on ASST. Nothing there. She's my pride and joy. All right, next price target on IPA, if it can get there. So nice little pullback right here. This is where it was good, right? Right there. All right, now, let's see. Can it get there? Ah, man, my nose itches. Sorry, guys. All right, let's change this one from that. Let's maybe check ASST again on this side. All right, so there's ASST. That's what you guys are seeing on YouTube. YouTube's only getting two pages, two charts. All right, here we go. Let's see. Is it got it. Does it have any power here? It already pumped really hard here, and RSI is at 73. There's the MACD right here on IPA. This one takes money from me most of the time. I don't do very well on IPA. So let's do price target number 2 here. Let's see if I can get it. Let's see if I can get maybe 37 cents. 137. So there's that. We'll see if it can get there. If not, it's okay. If it does, let's see what else we got here. I'm gonna jump in ACON, ACON, ACON over here. I hope you guys can hear me okay. I hope the video quality is good. I hope everything is working out. Again, I don't, I'm not accustomed to doing this on the lives here on both on TikTok and YouTube. Let's see, cool. All right, so here we go. This is ACON. Looks like it's going into consolidation. All right, IPA looking like it wants to take a break. That MACD got a little burnt there. Bought. Now it's at 69 RSI. Careful that this isn't making a head and shoulder pattern. Be very careful. I'm very cautious with IPA. If it can stay above $1, we're doing pretty good on IPA. If not, oh crap, that's why my leg's cold. I brought myself a Mountain Dew. Whoopsies. Oh gosh. Oh boy. Ugh. All right, so we're watching IPA. What else are we watching here? Let's see. No way. Now that I'm on my own. NEHC, not really doing much. IPA still just kind of consolidating. We'll see if it can't do something for us. VATE, SOPA. Let's check the VATE. All right, slow. Why did it pop up on my scanner? So I'm looking at my little scanner here. You know, the Weeble scanner. Trying to find some more stocks here that are possibly moving. IPA's taking a break. Looks like it kind of squeezed up there a little bit. TEM. TEM. What is TEM doing? Put that there. TEM. Whoa, geez, that hurts. Woo! Oh, God. Stair step down much? If you're in TEM, it's probably coming down to 48. What's ENOR? EONR doing? EONR moved up nicely this morning. That pump and dumper pumped the shit out of it, as you guys can see here. Pump the shit out of it. It is energy, so you know if you do get stuck in EONR, you should be able to get out at some point. But right now, EONR is not doing so hot. What else we got here? QUBT. QUBT. As I get used to this YouTube stuff and this TikTok stuff all at once, it'll get better. MOBX, IPA, there's IPA. Yes, great song. I'm glad you guys can still hear it. I don't know about people on YouTube though, if they can hear it. I'm almost thinking that I don't want them to hear it. Yo, what up? The YouTube live is awesome. Awesome. That's cool, man. I'm very happy you like it. All right, there's QUBT right there. All right. So QUBT is pushing up against its volume weighted average price, as you guys can see right about here. And Also, for those that are on YouTube, this is how the lessons are going to be when I start doing lessons. This is how I'm going to start doing them on YouTube to discuss candlestick patterns and stuff like that. So you've got some support right about here for QUBT. I hope it's working well for the people that are on YouTube. MOBX. All right, MOBX is making a move. 157. Let's take a look here. Where can it go? Oh, wow. All right. So it looks like it's got some resistance coming up right about here. Oh, come on now. Wrong thing. Let's go right about here, which is about 163. It's got some resistance there. You're going to have some resistance about 194. Price target is 192 on MOBX. 192. There you go. MOBX 192. First price target. Be careful, guys. Lots of pump and dumps. Still, the market's still scared. So just be careful. All right, let me look at the comments here. Volume on music's perfect. Perfect. iPad has a lot of volume. Gee, yes. IPA came in with that volume. Here we go. MOBX. Remember, you're not buying just because you see green candles. This is MOBX. Making a nice little move here. Little double bottom off that volume weighted average price. Moved up to 175. This is a 1 minute chart. You'll see the 1 minute right there, the 1M. Down here, you got your RSI. You've got your MACD down here. MACD crossed over. You got 2 bars here, so don't get too excited yet. You got a little doji right there, right off of that resistance, but it's on top of the resistance, so we'll see what happens. IPA's taking a break. Look at that. The RSI is cooling off. You got the MACD cooling off. So that was a nice little pump there, right? So if we're being honest on this thing, look at it. Pumped here. All right, profit takers came, took their profit, traded sideways. Then news came out about its what's that thing? Announced it developed a new class of GLP therapies using its Lens platform. Then that news came out, and then boom, the stock decided to rally, and right now it's just chilling. If that volume comes back into it, MACD crosses over, I think we'll go ahead and we'll be able to hit that price target. All right, MOBX taking a break. Let's see what it does here. Found some support right there, actually, off this candle. A little bit of support. All right. If you guys haven't yet, go to jrockstocks.com. There's jrockstocks.com. Go ahead and become members or what have you. Become members. If you guys don't know what that entails, it entails you having access to helpful links and the learning center. Learning center for you beginners, for the newbies, the people that are brand new. I want you to focus on 2 new rules, just 2 rules. These are your rules. You got to make sure you know these, okay? Rule number 1 is practice first, trade last. So you got to know your platform. Do like 20 trades. Make sure you're agreeing on all 20 of them. And then you can put real money in and play with real money. Start with small positions. Don't get so many shares that when the stock turns against you, you start to freak out. Like this one right here. So if you were looking at the charts here, look at that. MOBX. So you got all excited because it's going up, right? And you didn't take your profit. Now what? Now you're sitting here going, oh, crap, I got to get out. I got to get out. And now you have less and less profit. Or you're negative now because you probably bought above 152. So if you had a lot of shares of this, you would be freaking out. If you had 100 shares of it, you're like, okay, well, so I lost a little bit of money, okay? For each dollar, if you have 100 shares, you lose $100 for each dollar. All right. Whoops, I clicked the wrong one. Wrong screens. Sorry, YouTube. But those were my other platforms, by the way. Yeah. So we're looking at MOBX. What else do we look at here? Let's see. What is the scanner saying? The scanner. Spice looking amazing. Spice 605. Jeez. This market should be just killing it right now with the SPY where it's at. But there's stocks that are running and there's stocks that are taking a shit. What are your thoughts on NEHC? I don't know. Ocean Soundhound? Yeah, Soundhound's awesome. I love Soundhound. I caught IPA 69 to 96. Nice, Brian. Good for you. Hopefully I helped a little bit with that. That'd be awesome. Am I in IPA? I am not in IPA. I am not in anything at the moment. Thank you, Ocean. Thank you for the rose. All right, so IPA is sitting at 92 cents right now. It's sitting at the 33 EMA. MACD's looking bright red, spread out, still above the zero line. It looks like it's still coming back down. Looks like it wants to get oversold again. If it doesn't, oh man, this is just starting to look like a really nasty pattern. You guys know what pattern I'm talking about, right? Head and shoulders pattern. Yeah, that it did back here before it tanked. You got a little head and shoulder pattern here, and tried a little bit and then tanked. Consolidated, news came out, it ran. Hopefully this is just consolidation. You could always go to the 5-minute and kind of take a look at it and see what you think. You know, it doesn't it doesn't have to be that way. It doesn't have to be. It's an fucked up week. Money man, what did you do? What did you do? JS, RGT was wild yesterday, was it? All right, IPA. Let's see what else we have. 9 NINE. All right. All right. Well, there's IPA coming down 92 cents now. There it is. IPA 91 cents. Looks like it's coming down, guys. If it doesn't find support here at 90 cents, I think the next spot you'll see is going to be just below 86 cents, maybe. And if it can't find support there, then it's coming back to 82 cents and then 60 cents. This thing pumped and dumped once. It looks like it may have pumped and dumped again. And if they can't keep it above $1, then it's in a bad space. Let's take a look at FCEL. FCEL. Look at that pump. There's FCEL from 9 to 1070. All right. As long as the computer doesn't freeze, I'll keep doing the lives like this. What's up, Josie Gill? All right, on YouTube. All right, let's see here. Elijah Bryant, CDIO. Good morning, Elijah. What stock for today? Certified Lover Boy. Man, there's a lot of them. IPA, MOBX. We got. There's CDIO. Somebody asked about that. Elijah asked about that. So CDIO looks a little weak. It tried to get up over this resistance right about here, 83 cents. All right, there's 83 cents right here. You can see there's some resistance there. You could take that over. You're right here. There's your 83 cents right there. So this is that. This is CDIO. Let me put that up there just so you guys see it. If TikTok wouldn't be so damn stingy with their RMPT or whatever it's called, that stupid code or URL that I need to stream, then I'd be streaming altogether. But I can't because they're buttheads. Either way, we're still here. We're still looking at stocks. I'm still looking for something to run. And it is difficult. EONR dead zone. Oh, God. All right. So CDIO looks like it's coming down as well. Be careful for it not to break through the 71. You've got 70, and then you could go lower on this one because the pattern is not looking very strong. As you can see, CDIO finally found some support right there at about, what was that, 70 cents? If it breaks 70 cents, you're coming down to about 65, if not 61. And then if it breaks that, then you're coming back down to 54 cents on that one there. Let's get back to IPA, see what it's doing. 90 cents. I told you guys, if it doesn't hold, it's going to come down even more. Look at this. This is a 5-minute MACD. Let's go to 1 minute here. So here you go. It finally recovered a little bit. We need a lot more. This is not looking like a good pattern at the moment. So to the left of me, jokers to the right. Here I am in the middle with you. I got caught in a POS TGL and sold for a loss. 500. Need to build up again. Money, man. That sucks. That sucks. Yeah, I'm choosing not really to trade. We'll see what happens later on, but right now I'm choosing not to trade. I was messing around with the people on StockTwits earlier on IPA, messing around trying to save their butts. I don't know. I told them what I told them, and then this thing traded sideways, dropped down to about 58. I told them 55. I was off by 3 pennies. And then it finally broke through and the news came out. Who would have seen that coming? Right? Not me. Anything good lately? Ginger, it's back. Not at the moment. It's kind of eh. TV Maxim likes the YouTube setup here. Oh, God, coffee's so good. I told you, be careful. If it breaks that 70, CDIO is coming down. There it is, 67. Careful. It's getting oversold now. It's at 30 RSI. Oh, okay. IPA, same. 86, 85. It's coming down. Looks like it's going to come down to 82, which is the volume weighted average price on IPA. Oh man. Wow. All right, guys. If you are interested in seeing what other platforms I'm on, um, yeah, all you got to do is go here, go to jrockstocks.com, or go to, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's jrockstocks.com on all these right here. All right. So if you guys want to see this, go to jrockstocks.com. I'll probably end up taking the video off YouTube as well and putting it on the website. I don't know. We'll see. Still kind of still messing with everything. So let's see. Here I am. Trying to see if the computer is going to freeze or what. Doesn't look like it's having that much problem, but we'll see. I'm hoping it's okay. Yep, CDIO. There you go. What did I tell you? Where's it going? I told you right there. Look where it hit. There you go. All right, so we're looking at IPA. We're trying to see if maybe IPA wants to possibly do something. Something or rather. So IPA is trying again. I don't really see much moving. MOBX. CDIO. Here's MOBX making its way back up. There you go, finally above volume weighted average price. Be careful, it's still not in the clear. The MACD is not in the clear yet. It's trying to cross, but it hasn't yet. So we'll see. But it's nice that it's above the volume weighted average price. That's a lot of green. That shows that the bulls have stepped in and said, "Take that. There's done with you." Right? All right. Careful, pump and dumps, man. Mr. Pumpster, I believe he has something to do with IPA as well. Caffeine, baby. So this is how I'm seeing the comments from you guys on YouTube. So I'm trying to pay attention. I had to bring in my laptop to make sure that, everything's working okay, and yeah, we're not messing up here. All right, let's look at the comments here on TikTok. Steady Freddy, good morning. Your chart looks nice and clean. Yeah, we're working on that. We're working on that. I'm trying to clean it up a little bit. Buck, there's MOBX right there. All right. All right, I think we're all caught up on comments here on TikTok. Sayer 800. You put a question mark. The question mark, maybe your comment from before didn't go through because it got blocked by TikTok, or maybe it's one of the words that we don't use on here. I don't know. But I have no idea what you're questioning with that question mark. All right, let's take a look at NEHC again. There it is. Here's NEHC. Let's close that up. There we go. So NEHC did a little bit of a inverted head and shoulder pattern here, a little bit, up to the volume weighted average price at 460. If it can break this 460, then I'd say it's probably going to run up to about 492. So I'll put a price target there because now it's an updated price target. Let's go 492, right about there. If it can break that volume weighted average price, then it can get that price target. All right. IPA back down to the volume weighted average price. Looks deadly. Looks like it's going to eat some accounts there, because it is down from 109 down to 83, and I do believe it's pumped and dumped. So I feel like there's possibly a split coming, or some sort of bad news, an offering maybe, but maybe a split because they are not compliant right now. I don't see any filings yet, but just be careful. This thing's pump and dump. So I really do. I can't stand these pump and dumps. There's so many of them recently. So now you're coming to an area of confluence. So you've got your trend line there, and you have your volume weighted average price. So typically it should reverse, but again, the stocks have been really, really crazy. What's up, engineering? How you doing, buddy? All right. Ocean Black is on YouTube as well. Hey guys, if you haven't yet, go to YouTube, hit the like, hit the follow, hit the subscribe, do all that stuff. Smash that bell, that notification bell, so you know whenever I'm live or whatever. I don't even know what I'm saying yet. I'm still learning all this crap. With 300 USD investment, capital made 21 USD returns profit with 7 days investing. Oh, wow. Great. You are blocked and you are muted. That's awesome. Wow. I can't stand. Why does it keep on muting? Oh, he's already muted. Oh man. You gotta love that. You gotta love people that come into your live and start pitching other people's stuff because, well, that person must suck because they got to do that. That's it. All right. Good song. All right. So no reversal here yet. MACD still looking weak. RSI still hasn't oversold. It's on its way to oversold though. So we'll see what happens. But right now, not looking too hot for IPA. Let's see what else. Yeah, there's IPA coming down like a piece of shit that it is. Can't stand IPA. Hate pump and dumps. Hate them. I hate them with a passion. And all these jokers on these these platforms are just like, oh yeah, no, IPA is gonna rip, man. It's gonna go like $10. Oh, is it really? Okay, sure. All right. And also HC Wainwright said that IPA is going to go to $7. They lowered their price target from nine bucks. So yeah, all right. Looking around, trying to see what else we can sink our teeth into here. NEHC is just kind of hanging out. Not really much going on there. Under volume weighted average price. Let's take a look at MOBX. Here's MOBX. All right, MOBX kind of trading a little bit in a channel, a little bit. We can just okay. I can try to draw a line. There we go. We can draw a line there, and then we can draw a line here. Doesn't have to be perfect. But you can kind of see it's trading in a channel. It's got these little explosions here and there. So it really does have to get above volume weighted average price, or the thing is done. All right. I hope everybody's enjoying this live. I hope you guys are making money. I wish I was in the stock with everybody. Hope everybody made a lot of money. Still stuck in GSIT. It sucks. All right, Charlie, thanks for the rose. It is still up 62% for the day. It's still up 62% for the day. Okay. All right. Well, we'll go with that. Again, you guys know how I work, and the fact, and YouTube, you can't see this, but what I'm doing is I'm showing the Weeble, the top gainers. IPA is up 62% in pre-market. That's the highest one. That's how bad the market is this morning. Although the SPY is up to 605, which baffles me. Here we go. MOBX about to break that trend line. Let's go. Double bottom off that other trend line, and we will see where it goes. All right. Nope. Rejected. JD started up strong though. Yeah, no, definitely did, Matthew Graham. Definitely did. Started up strong. If you guys want to give me some love, go to YouTube and write a comment, hit the like, the follow, and all that other stuff up there. Let's see. NEHC. How's NEHC doing? Nope. It's looking nasty. IPA coming down even more. Look at that. God. Here, I'm gonna put a price target on this thing. All right, I'm gonna put a price target on this thing. There's the price target right there. Oh man. Bye. Man, pump, dump, 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 dump. And the market sucks today. All right, now IPA isn't in first place. IPA is down, it's up 51%. You got NEHC 59%. So IPA has now just been overcome by NEHC. So NEHC, if it can break that that volume weighted average price, then we're good again. But again, guys, I am not feeling confident with the market today. The market is kind of... Oh, shit, I'm breaking stuff. Ah! All right, that's what happens when your light falls down. If I get this thing to stay. All right, I guess that'll work. Screw it. Ah! All right. IPA. Just look, guys, it's taking your money, okay? You can't time the bottom on something that hasn't found the bottom yet at all. The 200 is literally like your saving grace. If it hits 200 and bounces, you're lucky. But as of right now, it's not looking that hot. The RSI just got oversold. All right. Man, my nose is just... All right, let's take a look at GELS. Here's GELS. All right, 308. $276. It's up to 316 right now. Its high is 335. Looks like it wants to go through it because that volume's pumping in. Right now, it's only at 71 on the RSI. MACD's looking great. It's got some more room to go. This is GELS. Here comes a new high. GELS. I don't know why I keep hitting enter. It does nothing. There's GELS. So let's line this one out. All right, pretty simple. There's some resistance there, obviously. You've got some more right about 361. And then $4. All right. Do 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 do. All right, let's go 349 on gels, GELS. Oh man, IPA eating people's lunch money. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh geez. Pumpy and dumpy. Pumpy and dumpy. Bouncing off the 200. Let's see if it can hold that 200. If it can't, this thing is toast. Guys, look at this. I just fucking hate pump and dumps. Look at this. This is the past. This is 5-minute chart. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 minutes. That's the past 30 minutes. This thing is pumpy and dumpy all over the place. If you guys didn't listen, I'm sorry. But you know, sometimes you just gotta tell people how it is. Oh, this sucks. That really sucks. I hope it can recover for whoever's in it. But that's ruthless. That's bullshit right there. All right, hit the like, hit the follow, hit the share. Did Gels hit the price target there? Not yet. Gels did not do it. Beautiful engulfing green candle there on the 5-minute though. Beautiful. All right, there's Gels again. We pumping. We not pumping, man. Not pumping at all. We no pumping. No pumping. I fucking hate pumping dumpers. If there's any pumping dumpers in the room, you can get the fuck out. Gels cup and handle on 1 minute. I'd say saggy booby pattern on the 1 minute on Gels. You got this one's a little lopsided right here. Yode Odo, you're about to get blocked. All right, so you got one saggy booby right here. That's a little messed up. And then you got another saggy booby right here. And you've got this little problem right here. Could be a cup and handle though. That could be working out. That could be working out there for you. Oh, man. All right, got to unplug that one and plug that back into the Mac because I got to get a new battery for the Mac. Oh, man. All right, we're plugged back in. She's back to life, ladies and gentlemen. The Mac is back to life. Gels, that little purple arrow that pops up, that is a hammer candle. IPA, IPA can't even hold that. It can't even hold 70. IPA's coming back down hard. Come on, IPA. Let's see if you can hit 50 cents again. What a piece of shit. What a piece of shit. Oh my God. I warned everybody. IPA is a piece of shit. I warned you. I did. I did. Ugh. I fucking hate pumping dumpers. I swear to God. All right. So we got NEHC, ran to 534. Then it did the stair steps down. Trying to curl up nicely here. Not sure if it's going to be able to get back up to volume weighted average price at this point. That volume just crapped out completely. And then, yeah. What's up, the one squib? Yo, we're on YouTube right now as well. So, oh man, I don't know how much more of this pump and dump shit I can take. I might have to take a week off. I hate this crap. I hate these kind of markets. Pump and dump markets. Fucking hate it. I'd love to put a shout out to the pump and dumper that I know that literally pumped something yesterday, and I know a bunch of people got fucking smacked in the face, and it sucks. I fucking hate it. What are you gonna do though? You can't really do much. Do. Looking around right now, guys. Not seeing much of anything I want to mention. I'll win. I have a feeling, and this could just be, gas or something. I have a feeling that the market could possibly be setting up for a reversal. God, I hate saying that, but I've got this weird feeling in my stomach. It could very well be setting up for a reversal. Sure, there are a lot of stocks that are moving in the right direction, but there's a shit ton of stock. I mean, this is a shitty market, guys. I'm showing the top gainers on Webull right now. The highest is 59% in pre-market. Let's see what else we got here. So after the pump and dump on EONR, it moved a little bit today. There it is, moved a little today, ran up to 159, and then just kind of lost all volume, and it crapped out 144. It's an energy play, so maybe the people that have got stuck in it, maybe they can get out, but it's going to take a lot. What's up, Haley? So there you go. So that's what we got there. Let's see. Let's refresh the scanner. Oh my God. Allergies are strong today. Stronger than the stocks, that's for sure. All right. Is there any news? Anything coming out? No news. IPA couldn't hold 70. BBLX. Let's see. BLBX. There's BLBX pumping. Excuse me. All right. Let's see. Secures financing of up to $2 million in anticipation of potential merger. Cool. Come on. Look at this thing go. This is BLBX. My God. BLBX. BLBX. Man, it's hard to do both YouTube and TikTok like this. This is definitely difficult. Again, something to get used to, I guess. Oh, look at that. That's a nice run. It's a $2 run there. All right, so we got right here 320. We got, what is this? This is 335. Looks like maybe 374 on BLBX. There you go. I need a big runner, J-Rock. What's up, Tiger? Yeah, no kidding. A lot of people need a big runner, man. The market has been just taking people's money. IPA, I mean, again, EONR, feel bad for people, and God, it's just horrible. I did alert them, but I did give you a price target that hit on both. So I feel good there. BLNX, do. What's up, Carlos? Hey. All right. So BLNX is BLBX, I think she was trying to say. Let's see. I'm going to put BLNX over here. I think she was trying to say BLBX. Yeah, she was. All right. Come on, baby. Look at that. Look at this candle right here. Look where I hit. 375. Gee, I wonder why. This is a 1 minute chart. If I can get through that, and you've got yourself a little bit of a runner, I think you can get up to like 397 on BLBX. If it can get up above this. Don't know if it's a pump and dump. I don't know. They do have news. We'll see. I don't know. A lot of pump and dumps. I don't like them. I don't like them. We have USEG. All right. It's a Muppet song. That way you said it. Oh no, ignore me. All right, so here's BLBX. Here is USEG. Looks like it did a little bottom here. 1, 2, and then it's trying to break through volume weighted average price. This is, damn it, how low battery on my phone? Son of a, what the hell's going on here? Low battery on everything. Come on. All right, there we go. Let's try that. There we go. Okay, cool. So you have USEG right here. Looking like it's making a move above volume weighted average price. Here's USEG. IPA coming down even more. It's at 64 cents. Yep. Nice fake news. Pumped once, pumped twice. Just pumped out again around 5. So it's 444. USEG. No news. Moving up. Careful. All right. Yep. BLBX is coming down. I mean, again, I can't control these stupid things. They are just a pain in the ass, as you guys can see. Yeah, so yeah, I told you guys IPA's coming down. Fucking coming down. Jesus Christ. RSI is at 22. Wow. Look at this piece of shit. I think I'm going to start whistleblowing. I don't know. I think I'm going to start whistleblowing. I think I can get some money off of that. Look at this. Look at this. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Look at this. What a pump and dump. Whistle blow the fucking shit out of these people, right? God, it makes me sick. I'm fucking annoyed, Ayushi Mishra. I'm fucking annoyed. I'm so sick and tired of this fucking shit market with this bullshit going on. This is fucking bullshit. Fucking, it's that guy again on my mama. That motherfucker. Yep. God, I'm so annoyed with some of these people. They pump and they dump and they dump and they dump and they dump. Look at this. If this isn't a pump and dump, I don't know what the fuck is. Give me a break. Ugh. I'm furious with this shit. I hate pump and dumps. Can I look at Oracle? OR. You got to put the ticker of Oracle. On my mama says, look at MDAI. Come on. There we go. MDAI. All right. Looks like I set a price target a while ago. I don't know. The fuck is going on with my screen here? Where's my... I can't even zoom out. What the shit? Oh. All right, here you go. All right, hit that price target. Cool. Oh, man. ORCL. Gotcha. All right, so here is Oracle. All right, 191 ran hard from 187, broke out of its resistance, which it had right about there. Had some resistance at 188, broke through its resistance at 189. And now it's pushing 191 again. It's the high. How high has it been? Oh, God, fucking nose itches. All right, so 190 is what it hit today. The high is 198. It's going to have some resistance around that 192.34. More resistance around 93.44, 94.85, and then 96 and change. So there's Oracle. All right, lined out. If it can't get through that resistance of that high, that 191.54, if it can't get through that, then it'll come down. It'll probably come down to 189. And if it can't hold 189, it'll probably come down to 189.29. Oh. Well, I'm glad that the live hasn't frozen for you guys. That's awesome. But that was Oracle. I'm ending my subscription with you. I can't keep losing money. Okay, Tiger. Sorry, man. Sorry you're losing money. I don't again, I don't know what happened with you, but I'm sorry you lost money. Well, that sucks. That really sucks. I hate hearing about it, but you know, hey, I like the honesty. That's cool. Tiger 21. And here I'll even show you how I like your honesty. There you go. But can you please let me know how my subscription lost you money? That's what I'd like to know. Do 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 do. That's what I would like to know. That's pretty much it. JROC wasn't trading during first Trump run. How was 2017 to 2020? Pre-market is not easy, not for everyone, including me. Yeah, it's tough, man. It is tough, and especially like right now. Again, I'm pissed off because of all the pump and dumps, but I'm giving you guys price targets that are attainable. So J-Rock wasn't trading during first Trump run. How was 2007 2000? Um, I mean, the market was different back then, just because if you think about it, that was before all that AMC crap happened, pretty much. AMC, GME. That's when that happened. All this social media, all these influencers started influencing the market. So you started getting a lot of these pump and dumps. You know, so okay. Haley, 1 minute I had 40, next I didn't. Price target on gels, Josie. All right. I like all the sport guys. I really do. It's nice. And I, I hate seeing people lose money, and the fact that somebody says that they have to end the subscription because they can't lose any more money or whatever the wording was. That does hurt, but again, it's a watch list. It's not a buy list. I mean, I can't control what the stock does. I can only give you a price target that I think it's going to hit, and it's not financial advice. You know, that sucks. That sucks. That really sucks. Really bums me out. Actually, bummed me out so much that I'm actually like sitting here going, should I continue doing the live stream today or should I just get off and just say fuck it? I don't know. Gels, yeah. So you got one bottom, two bottom right here off of the 33 EMA. So you got one here, you got two here off the 50, here off the 50 as well. So it did jump down. It is going lower, but it is making higher lows, so that's good. So that's good. Right? I mean, I don't get it. And then, I asked Tiger, I said, how did I make you lose that money? And I got no answer, so it kind of sucks. I mean, I can't blame you guys for me losing money. I can say that it makes it harder for me to trade my own stocks. Like if I see a stock that's running, I'll alert it to you guys and then I'll get into it because I know time is of the essence. That sucks. Haley says the problem I've got is I'm at work. I've been looking at automating the watch list for buy and percentage profit taking. I'm not sure what's for the best. Yeah, just be careful with that because again, like there's days where the watch list is fire, and then there's days where the watch list literally misses the price target by 7 cents, like yesterday. So IPA still dipping. Yeah, still coming down. EONR is at 148. It hit the volume weighted average price right now. 149 EONR. That really hurts. It does. It does. I don't get it. I hate being blamed for stuff. It's a watch list, not a buy list. Sorry, price target on gels. Well, the price target was 349. 347, 349 on gels. There's gels. Keeps hitting this bottom. If it can't get through the volume weighted average price, then it's coming back down probably to 233 on gels. IPA looks like it's trying a little bit to come out of that oversold. There's IPA. Jesus Christ. Well, I mean, yeah, here's one thing I can say for it. All right. So you got one peak right here, right? One peak right there. And you got your other peak right here. So it is making higher highs. Come on now, you fucking thing. It's making higher highs and it's making higher lows. So, I mean, maybe if they put out the news again, maybe it can go higher and maybe it's going to hit this price target of 136 almost every night. God, I got my feelings hurt. I really did. Fucking sucks. Fucking sucks. They see my negative over 10,000. Not to worry, it's not all beautiful roses. Don't involve feelings. That's a good point on YouTube there. Lil, I think that's how you say it. He says if they see my portfolio is all negative over 10,000, not to worry, it's not all beautiful roses. Don't involve feelings. It's true. Definitely true. Don't involve feelings. It's hard. It's hard not to involve feelings, you know? That really did hurt my feelings. It's weird. It's weird how I get. Like, you know, I sit here and I go, okay, well, and trust me, there's a lot of people that are subscribed, so it's not like, oh my God, that's going to impact my income off the website. It is a little, but I mean, that it is what it is. But it sucks that he said that he lost money and it's because of the subscription. I just, you know, that just sucks. All right. Well, we got to keep moving on. So let's see what USEG is doing. Got to keep moving on. I got to stop being such a pussy. I get emotional. I get emotional. You know, I try to make people money and it hurts. All right, so here, USEG, if USEG can break 535, you might have a little run up to 560. It's about 30 cents there. IPA, little fake out, coming right back down to 57 cents, it looks like, on IPA. USEG, if it could just break this 535, right about there. If it can break that, then it can get about 560 there. All right. Let's see. Josie, thank you. You're welcome. Let's see. It's hard. Trading takes years to learn. A lot of young new traders is in these lives. They will have to put the time in. Don't take it personally. I'm trying not to, but it bothers me. Put a band-aid on your feelings. Haley, a band-aid on my feelings. You know what would put a band-aid on my feelings? If the stocks just started to rip. I mean, because I'm not understanding it right now. You've got this little guy over here at 606 on the SPY. Wow. And then you've got all these pump and dumps that, you know, just come out of nowhere. It's crazy. Just crazy. All right, guys, it is 5:22 right now. We're continuously moving forward despite my feelings. Yeah, we'll just keep trying to grow and keep trying to get better. And in a perfect world, we will all make money. But yeah, back to 62 cents on this son of a bitch right here, IPA. Oh, Jesus. All right, USEG, here we go. 533. Let's go, USEG. Jonathan, I thought the same thing, man. Captain. Captain. Put rookie numbers on. Yeah. Yep. IPA. IPA 62. 62 cents. There it is right there. Ronald Dan. Oh, go. Go, go, Johnny, go. Go, 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 Johnny, go. Do, 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 do. Where's my mouse? Damn it. There it is. So many screens. And no other news there. Looks like, when was this from? All right. Well, USCG couldn't get above it. We can hear you. We can't hear you? I can hear you on my mama. Oh, there he is. Yo, can you hear us?
Hey, yeah, I can hear you.
There you go. I had to turn up my volume.
No worries. Hey, so I just wanted to just fill you in with IPA. And again, I'm sure Moon Market in his Discord has a whole bunch of people reading through filings. Again, if I had a subscriber and a Discord and stuff like that, I would have, again, different people doing different things, but I don't. Right. So I just took a look back at IPA's filings.
Right.
And back in August of last year, they filed an S3, which is a shelf, right?
Right.
So that gives them 3 years to be able to utilize this offering. So they're offering that shelf August 6th, I think it was. They're offering 15 million common stock.
Right.
And they're offering it at like 68 cents per share. So with the news that came out yesterday with them and their, I think it was something to do with immune system, or there was some news catalyst,
Yeah.
or some shit that caused it to pump. And basically what they did is they pushed price up to, again, people go in and then they dilute the stock. So this was a raise. And I will tell you, the fucking cocksuckers, Yorkville, like right there on the headline of that, and like they are a piece of shit, dude.
Yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
they Yorkville advisors. Every time I see them in a filing, I tuck tail and run, man. Because this is what they do. If you ever remember that that scooter company Hellbiz, I think it was HLBZ. It's in the expert market now. They hose people left, right, and center in that stock. Hellbiz.
Oh.
Like that CEO was a piece of dirt. Like just Moon Market was pumping it. Yorkville advisors diluted it like 8 times, reverse split it, and then diluted it another 8 times. Like just horrible. So this is what they did, right? But again, even if you look through the filings for IPA, you would have had to have gone back. Like I had like 2 pages. I had to go back 2 pages of their filings to actually see this S3 and then what was on the S3. So again, my assumption is that's what they're doing right now is they're diluting 15 million shares.
Right? Yeah, so that makes sense. Also, they're also non-compliant with the Nasdaq right now. They've got a deficiency, and that was they got the letter back in August, on that. So
What is that putting at? 6 months, roughly?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So,
It was I think it was August 25th or something. Yeah, right here. August 25th reported Friday precise antibodies receives Nasdaq deficiency notification for falling below $1 bid price threshold.
yeah.
Yep. And
Yep, yep.
I was trying to warn people on this one. I mean, hey, price target was back here. Again, I put price targets on my watch list just because that's where I think it's going to go, and I don't give second or third ones on there because that's where I think it's going to go. So this one right here was the price target. It hit 86 cents. Price target was 85 cents, and then it dropped. And then after that drop, I started looking around for more stuff, and I went all the way back to August, and I saw that, and I was like, oh, okay, well they're probably
Yeah,
going to be doing an offering or
yeah.
something to get this thing up.
Exactly. And really, it's not to get it up, but it's to dilute it and raise as much money as they can
Yeah.
so that they can reverse split it and start the process all over again. And that's why the news just came out right on time for them to reverse split the stock. So,
Yep.
but yeah,
So
like I said, I just wanted to make sure to share that with you and your subscribers and stuff like that. And for me, it's always been, man, if you don't have a receipt and you can't show me no proof, didn't happen. So there's a lot of no, I'm serious, right? No in basketball, no blood, no foul,
oh
right?
yeah, that's
Like
right.
show me some blood, like show me that you actually lost something, and then you'll get my sympathy. But if you can't even show me that, then go kick rocks, man. Sorry.
Yeah.
Like
I
like people have said in the chat, like this is it's not easy, right? And
yeah.
some people are just not built for it. And they're
Un-
not built for it. And
Unfortunately, this is a
that's
contact
that.
sport. This is a contact sport for sure. So yeah, no, it
Yeah,
just, again, for me, it makes me feel bad. That's really it. I mean, I try my ass off to keep people happy and put them in the right direction. And I tell them it's not a buy list. It's a watch list. That's all it is.
yep.
And
Listen, man, you can't save them all, Jay.
I
You,
do
you can't save them all.
I do my best. I do my best.
Yeah, but you can't save them all, and it just is what it is.
Yeah.
You know, it is what it is, man.
Yes,
So,
sir. Well, thank you for
and
sending the.
Real Vision is pushing too. I don't
Yeah,
know if they have an offering. I didn't get a chance to take a look at that, but
yeah, I don't
looked
mess with
like
them.
you don't like Real Vision.
Oh, dude, every time I've been in that stock, I've lost. So I don't even
Yeah,
play with that thing anymore.
I'm telling you, man. Like, what was that ticker that was for me? It was every single. It was CYTO, right? It was
Ah,
some therapeutic company working on a nasal spray for COVID and some other like bullshit. Every time I touched it,
yep.
I would lose.
That
Every time, and I'm just like, I can't get the rhythm right. Like, just no, just leave it alone. So
that's
there's some
real vision
stocks
for
that
me.
I just don't touch, just because bad juju. They gave me the clap, and I'm just like, oh, okay, sorry.
Yeah, that's real vision for me right there.
Yeah.
100%.
It needs to break 115 though before you're going to see any kind of upward movement. 115, and they look like they're diluting too, because you see how it like I'm on a 2 minute chart. You got a nice push like around 748, and then came down 750, and then you kind of scoop back up,
Yep.
broke 115. Now your second test of 115. So if it fails here, it's not going to look good. I don't think anyway. So
Right. We
but
got BLBX pushing right now.
yeah, there was something about them termination or a termination of some kind of merger or something like
Purchase
that yesterday.
agreement. Let's see, where was it right here? Yeah, there's a merger anticipation of a merger, $2 million. Secured financing 2 million. Then announces 250,000 securities purchase agreement. Initial
Yeah,
debentures closed at 7%. Yeah, Rail Vision just failed again.
there we
So
go.
yeah, Failed again. Yep. That is the world we play in today. I swear to God, it seems like there's more pump and dumps than I've ever really seen. It seems like every stock is a pump and dump.
Yeah. It's crazy too because um, black box stocks,
Yeah.
they ended up terminating the exchange agreement, and now they're doing another financing and up to two. But this is more like a financing, so probably somebody's short, and they're like, "Hey, we're going to give you $2 million if you can kind of let us out, let us convert some shares into something here."
Yeah. Yeah. So here's the good thing about this YouTube thing. It's all recorded,
Mm-hmm.
so it's automatically on YouTube, so people can rewatch and relearn again. So that's pretty cool. TikTok made that a little difficult to post like the whole thing, and yeah.
What are we watching and rewatching again?
So when you go over some of this stuff with us, like
Mm-hmm.
it's all recorded now on YouTube, and
Oh,
it's
nice.
immediately posted. Like I'm on YouTube right now, so these people are watching that are on YouTube, all nine of them. But yeah, but now instead of me having to post or go through that, um,
It's just automatically.
it's just
there.
automatically
I
there.
gotcha.
So that's good, nice and easy.
Nice.
And I will get a little bit more streamlined with this stuff to where it's just everywhere. And I'm
Yeah,
excited to hear when you're ready to do your thing.
yeah, I know, I know. I don't want to even say it's procrastination because I have ideas and things like that, but I'm just not ready to pull the trigger and kind of move forward in that. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted to make sure that you guys kind of understood what's happening with IPA, and I'm not saying that it can't recover because they were selling at 78 cents. So you push the price up, you rug it back down, and then you kind of take it back up. So uh,
Yeah, kind of like what it did right at the very beginning of the day, where it ran to 86 cents and then took a shit back down to
yeah,
59 and then back up to 109, which that blew me away that it got that high. That was
yeah,
pretty interesting. But then you see all that
yeah,
selling off, and that just makes 100% sense.
yeah.
Yeah, Yorkville is a pain in the
York,
ass.
Yorkville Advisors.
Yeah, they're a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Just like HC Wainwright, I hate them as well. Can't stand them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So, but
They make a
yeah,
ton of money, man.
no,
You need to crack down on them.
yeah, yeah, no kidding. SEC needs to crack down on a lot of people, a lot of pump and dumpers that I'm just I can't believe that they can continuously get away with it. You
Yeah.
know?
But I go back to it's all in the script. Like they tell you what they're gonna do. You
Yeah,
just gotta read ahead of time. That's the key. Read ahead of time, and make sure you have a stop loss. And of course, in pre-market, you don't have the ability to have a stop loss, but nevertheless, when you're in the middle of the day, like condom on, man, condom on.
yep.
No baby bag holder here. So,
There you go.
yeah. All right, dude. I'll let you get back to your stuff.
All right, dude. I'm just gonna be
All right.
trying to find stuff that's actually moving.
Yeah, got you.
All right, man. Thanks.
All right. Bye.
Bye. What's up, guys? Again on my mama with the good news drop. Let's see. I saw something that drew my attention there for a second. I hope you guys can hear me just fine on YouTube. I hope everything's still moving all right for you guys. There isn't a whole lot to look at right now. Market's kind of weird and not fun. Where are we here? I was looking for something. Where the heck is it? Ah, there we go. Hey, how you doing there, buddy? Calvin Hill, man. Wow. Blocked. and muted. And there we go. That's what I was looking for. I found him. I found him. And then there was a J-Rock in here at some point, but I can't find him. Maybe he left already. But yeah, so there we go. All right. Maybe not. Maybe J-Rock did not leave. This is a different J-Rock. This is a J-Rock that's not a J-Rock that's me. Yeah. What's up, J-Rock? You got to put a picture up so I know it's someone else and not someone trying to pretend to be me. We get a lot of those. All right. So let's turn this up a little bit here and just keep trying. Had some action on Mind. Yeah, mine's gonna move eventually, I think. I saw you guys talking about G-Wave. Guys, G-Wave, I was reading the news. I was reading stuff that was out. Okay. I made money on it first, and then I lost money on it. But in all essence, I had no idea that the CEO was such a piece of shit. You know, FFIE, I got in that real low, tried to get some money on that, but I got stopped out and lost money. So shit happens. You know, hey, I've shown you guys I've lost. I've shown you guys I've made money. Um, it's just this is just the world we live in here with stocks. We play with stocks. That shit. That's what happens. All right. So that is it. That is it. Unfortunately, it is it. What the heck? MGX. Let's see what's up with MGX. So MGX hit 555 yesterday. Today, pre-market, it opened up, ran about 350 or opened up like 345, ran up to 350 and then dumped to about 314. Then they brought it back up to about 326. That's what that looks like. So for beginners that don't know, look at yeah, that's right. It really is. I mean, it is a gamble. It is an educated gamble. I mean, look, everybody thought that DJT, you know, I mean, he's our president for crying out loud. Everybody thought DJT was going to go through the roof. I thought it was going to go up. It didn't. It actually went down and it hit a low of 33.95. And then right now it's at 34.68. There's DJT. I mean, since inauguration, like, it's crazy, you know? So here's how you look at a candle. So over here you've got this nice big candle, right? You got that they ran it up and then it came down to here, closed there. Then this one over here opened here, ran up, closed, came down here, ran up to here, closed there, and then again back and forth. Opened here, went up. When you look at the candles will tell you everything you need to know about what's going on with that stock at that moment. There is a little bit of delay, but it's not crazy. They call it slippage. Man, I don't know. I don't get it. I don't know. I don't get it. Why that took so much out of me. Fucking hell. But I mean, I guess that could be a good thing for you guys to know that I am that passionate about not giving you guys bullshit. You know, maybe. I don't know. Fuck it. Whatever. Oh, man. Mm-hmm. Just lost $30 on USEG fuckers. Yeah. That sucks. That sucks. All right, so right now we're looking at MGX. There we go. I got that Tiger had canceled his subscription. I can't win them all, guys. I can't win them all. All right. And I'm only charging $39.99. Imagine the guys that are charging a lot more. Oof. That sucks. Come on, mouse. Snap out of it. There. Ah. Ah. All right, we'll just start there. Ah. All right, I need some better music here. Need some new music here. This is let's see. Let's do this one. This one always gets me happy. Oh, I like that Duck Dynasty. I like that little thing that popped up there. That's right. I like that. That's true. All right. I mean, have I lost money a bunch of times? I have. And I sat there and went, gosh darn it. Like, again, why? Why did I lose money? And then I practice. I sit here and I literally practice. And I've shown you guys how I practice. And, you know, I was on a good run there. And then while I was paper trading, then I lost. And I was like, shit, now I can't stop losing. What the hell changed? You know, that kind of thing. So this is MGX, by the way. But yeah, it is literally, it comes with the territory. People call it paying their tuition. You know, I mean, basically, you know, there's been home runs. You guys have seen me hit home runs and you guys seen me get my ass kicked. It is literally just what happens. Let's see here. There's MIND. Where is it? You know, we've had banger 7 out of 7 watch lists, and we've had 1 out of 7 watch lists, you know. But the way that I'm counting them is I'm not counting them if they're green. I'm counting them if they hit my price target. That's what I'm counting them as. So, again, you know, it sucks. I hate when people lose, but it is what it is. So let's talk about stocks now. Fuck it. Tiger, I'm sorry you lost money. Not my fault. So this is the VATE, very choppy, not a whole lot of volume as you can see. Let's see, no news. All right, let's keep looking here. Everything seems kind of dead, not really much going on. RZLV maybe. Here's RZLV, 354. Big sell-off on, yeah, J-Rock. I don't have Telegram. We don't do Telegram. Or I will never tell you to do Telegram because you get a lot of scammers on there. So I hope you're not one of them scammers, dude. Love Doctor says UTSI. Here we have RZLV. All right. What else we got here? So here we have RZLV. It is pushing up against its resistance about 361. If it can get through 361, maybe it can get up to here. Maybe. We'll see. Let's see, maybe 382. See 382 maybe. If it can break through. Is there any news on RZLV? Resolve AI shares trading higher. Company issues press release celebrating Stargate AI initiative. Resolve AI poised to transform retail as Stargate 500 billion investment into AI supercharges AI revolution. That's the news that just came out 5:39. So looking about 8 minutes ago, and then again came out just 2 minutes ago. That's what's going on with RZLV. Here's your first pullback. Here's your second pullback. Let's see if this thing can do something. The MACD's looking like it's coming down. Excuse me. So first, second pullback. See if it wants to bounce. That RSI needs to cool off. How's everybody doing on YouTube? Hope you guys are doing okay. I haven't seen any new comments, so I don't know if you guys are still there or not. Cree, J-Rock, must pay attention for sure. Lots of fakes and scams. Yes, lots of them. Yep. And I don't do anything on Telegram or WhatsApp. Yep. Yep. They use my picture. Yeah, they use my picture. They use everything. I don't do Telegram. I don't do any of that stuff. No WhatsApp, no Telegram. You'll get me here. And if you ever question it, just go to my website. Go to jrockstocks.com. That. There we go. Go to jrockstocks.com. Okay. Go here. Click this little chat button down here. Right there. Okay. So go there, click that, and ask me, hey, are you messaging me right now on Telegram? And if you have listened to me during this entire thing, then you'll know that I never message you first. I'm going to wait for you to message me. I never message you. Ken Diggity has merged to the chat. BLBX is moving again. RZLV didn't quite make it, coming back down to looks like the volume weighted average price, 330. A lot of stuff is anticipating market open, so things are breaking down. All right. And for you guys on YouTube, there you go. If you guys haven't yet, you can follow me on all these platforms over here. And that is all my stuff there. And it's all under J-Rock Stocks. All right. It does not deviate from the spelling. So if the spelling is weird, that's a problem. It's not the real me. All right. So here's RZLV. I'm going to go ahead and change that to, there you go again. I'm trying to get used to switching between YouTube and TikTok here. Keep hanging. We'll probably for sure just having fun at this time. I'm watching news. All right, cool. Let's see, stuck in gels. Let's take a look at gels. So gels definitely pumped and then dumped. Come on, dude. Jesus. All right. There we go. So here is gels. Gels went up to 335, did a nice little cup. Thought it was doing a cup and handle possibly, and then just decided to just dump back to 224, which is where it was before. Right now it's above the 200, so you need to get up above, looks like 247 on gels. And then after that, you'll have some more resistance right about the volume weighted average price, about 275. Let's see. IPAs making a move back up towards the 200 EMA. There you go. Round them up. Let's go. All right. I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm sorry I got a little crabby there with the pump and dumps one, and then with, the other thing. I apologize. Any idea on venture or IPO? No, sir. No, sir. Ken Diggity, it's been a while. Let's see. On My Mama says MDAI, good earnings, 5 million in cash. MDAI. God. I don't know what happened there. There we go. MDIA 254. Let's go ahead and just get rid of that. It's too bright. All right, so there's MDAI. Let's go, guys. Hit the like, hit the follow, hit the share. Let's go. What causes the resistance? So people like to sell at a certain point. Like if the stock's under $1, let's say it's above 50 cents. Oh, it's going to go to $1. So everybody waits for it to hit that dollar and then sells right before it. So like 97 cents or 92 cents right here. So resistance is caused by people thinking that the price won't go up any higher and they want to take their profit. A lot of people, banks, all those take their profits at resistance. Okay, now there's different strategies. You can play the double bottoms. You can play breakout strategy. It's all up to you. But yeah, I've been either busy or not mentally with it to trade lately. Gotcha. So here's MDAI hit 259. Well, let's see. Has it been at 259 before? Typically, the $0.50 are also a resistance spot. What the hell's going on with my mouse? All right, so here we go. So 259 and it's coming down. Let's look at 180. Has it been at 259 before? Oh, I think it has. Look at this right here. So here's MDAI. So it just hit 259, right? Well, right here it had resistance at 254. It hit 259 right now. So it's had resistance there before. Not only that, but look, even right here, you got resistance. You've got support right here, right? So it's where people buy and sell. Mostly people will sell there first, then it's resistance. When it breaks through, now it becomes support. That's when people start buying because they think, oh my God, the stock's going to go up. So psychology books. Gosh, my mouse, I couldn't find it. All right, so let's continue looking here. What else we got? MDAI. So yeah, 259. It's had resistance there before. Right about there. And it's almost perfect right there. I'll put a line, you'll see. So it's almost perfect, that top line there. Look. Almost perfect. All right, so if it can break that resistance, if it can get through 259, then it could possibly have another little run. And it looks like we got right about here, 275, maybe right there. So we'll see. Just got to keep on looking. So that's MDAI. Let's see, where is NEHC? NEHC, here we go. All right. Let's go back in 1 minute. So moving nicely since after hours yesterday on NEHC. So it was moving nicely. You look at this right here, this line drawn right here. So it did a double bottom there, got above the 200 EMA, came back down a little bit. It's fluctuating right down here, but that volume needs to keep coming in. That volume left. There's like no volume in this thing anymore. 1 minute, it's at 5,540 on the volume. That's what this candle is. You need volume to see the stocks move. IPA is blowing up. Is it? It's at 70. There's IPA right here for you. So it's got a little double bottom here, a little saggy booby pattern. Okay. Careful. We've just discussed this. You know, there's like what, 15 million shares of common stock that they're going to be dumping. So this could have been a big portion of that. But again, this is a pump and dump. I've heard social media discuss this. I've seen, if you want to see what's being pumped, just go on StockTwits. Go on StockTwits. They'll tell you what they're pumping. They will literally tell you, oh my God, this thing's going to like $15. Oh boy. And then, yeah, then you'll know. It's J Rock. I just switched from TikTok. Too many scammers. What's up, Mark West? Let's go, baby. All right. So, again, the way that you guys are seeing it on YouTube, um, I mean, I do personally, I prefer that because I'm not holding a phone in my hands and I can actually kind of concentrate more on my keyboard and, hotkeys, things like that. You got EONR making moves as well right now. It just dumped and then all of a sudden decided to do that. So it just dumped and then came back. EONR 145, volume weighted average price 147. If it can break the volume weighted average price 147, you could probably get 160, 157 on EONR. Again, it was a pump and dump, sure, but it is still an energy play. With energy plays, I'm a little more, that might work out. And I don't see anything that's bad. I just don't see anything that's good anyways. So again, guys, if you haven't yet, if you don't know how to or what have you, my there's my there's my YouTube channel right there. All right. This is what it looks like on there. All right, you got me right. I don't know if I'm pointing the right way. Yeah, there you go. You got me right there. You got the video there. All right. And you got the two charts that I'm watching on there. Okay. So hopefully this works out and this doesn't freeze anymore. That'd be great. I would appreciate if you guys went over to YouTube and subscribed or hit the like, the follow, or what have you. Just pure reasons are, TikTok, the ban. I started freaking out when they got banned. I was like, what the hell? All right, what do I do now? Then I switched over to YouTube and then it froze and I was like, oh shit, that's not good. And the latency on it's not bad actually on YouTube. So here you have IPA and then you have EONR here, and both are again certain individual on social media was pumping EONR yesterday. When I'm ready to tell you guys who was and who's the pump and dumper, I will. I don't like making enemies, So again, I just try to do what I can to help you guys out and hopefully make you guys money. That's it. Yeah, BLBX, Sabrina. Yeah, we looked at BLBX earlier. How you doing, Sabrina? Hope you're doing good. All right, so there's BLBX. It did run. It bumped its head on that red line like we said it was. Again, bumped its head right there. That's resistance. Came down, did a little bit of a cup and handle here, and then slowly moved back up. Saggy booby pattern there. Moved back up, 382. You got this nasty shooting star here, or you can call that a hangman or whatever you want to call it. But there you go, you got that, and then it's coming back down. If this is another red candle, you could have three red crows right there, or three black crows, whatever you want to call it. Different names. Here is the IPA again, pushing the volume weighted average price. Let's see if this thing can get back up to its regular pump and dump glory. I don't know what to say there. Let's see. What else we got moving here? What is this? And honestly, guys, penny stocks aren't for everybody. They're ruthless. They're good one day and they're shitty the next day. The I feel bad for Tiger. I do. There's 127 of you in here. I don't know what happened. Typically, we've got about 180 to 240 in here. I don't know what happened. I don't know if Tiger scared people away or what or whatever at this point. I don't even know. There's BLBX trying to recover. There's a little doji there. That would have been support if I had put that line on there. But, yep, little doji typically means a reversal. But, yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should offer those lessons faster than I know it. Maybe I could have saved Tiger some money that way. I don't know. I mean, at least I appreciate the honesty. Turbo Guy, you're welcome. Thank you. Mustang Lou has entered the chat. Cree is there. Cree's hanging out. What's up, Cree? You've been in here for a while. Oh, man. Chaps my hide a little bit, I'll tell you that much. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. All right, market's going to open here in about 26 minutes. Good morning, Senior Watson. All right, so we're watching IPA to try to get back over this volume-weighted average price. And again, guys, if in doubt, always zoom out. Go to the 5-minute chart, go to the 15-minute chart just to see what it's been doing. This is what it's been doing. So I did show you guys earlier. I said, look, check it out. We got one, right? New high, right? A higher high and a higher low. And then we got this one right here. And same thing. We got a higher high and a higher low. And then we got this thing right here. We got another higher high and a higher low. Now, could this do that again? Sure. But if you are thinking of getting into something like this, be very careful because you can see what it did. Not once, but 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And that was all from after hours yesterday, pre-market, and then later pre-market. So could this thing pump at market open? Sure. Could it also crash and go all the way back down to like the 40s? Sure. Look what it came up from. It came up from 43. So just keep that in mind. Again, I just want to make sure you guys make money and not get trapped, Again, not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. This is literally just entertainment. I mean, some of the jokes I tell on here, I guess I couldn't be a financial advisor if I told those jokes, maybe. I don't know. What's up, engineering? What up, brother? Yep, IPA price was 78 cents for 15 million. That's right. That is correct. All right, so BLBX is just kind of hanging out. So it broke out of this little channel that I drew here. This is BLBX. Broke out of that little channel, traded sideways, consolidation, and then had a nice little run back up to 382, rounding off nicely. The MACD, you need more volume. Notice that volume crapping out. As I told you guys earlier on this one, on IPA, look at that volume pumped. Volume started crapping out. That's when it started looking a little bearish. And then that volume crapped out completely. And look what it did. Okay. Let's go, good old buddy. What's up, Whisper? Hey, what's up, man? Oh, man, we're just hanging out. We're going to be doing the lives on YouTube just the way we are right now. And then the lives on TikTok the same way here as you guys are seeing it right now. Engineering, no doubt thinking maybe it was a little too easy to make that money. Humbled real quick. IPA, let's see. So, oh, yeah, You know, that could be it too. Maybe he didn't read the rules. Never know. I don't know. I have no idea, you know. It does suck. Hey guys, look, I'm not gonna sit here and bash the guy because he told us, you know, he told us the truth. He told us how he felt, you know. I would have preferred him not to do it on a live stream, but he did it on a live stream. There was another gentleman that said, "Hey man, you know, I was pissed off. I was pissed off because you didn't go over the stock that was on your watch list and you were on this other one for like an hour." And I'm like, well, yeah, I was on that one for like an hour because it was continuously running for like an hour. And it ran, I mean, that one ran like $7. So, um, yeah, I mean, people are going to get pissed off. And he said, you know, I was going to say something during the live, but, you know, I thought I'd just tell you in private. I'm like, cool, thanks. I appreciate that. Not blowing me up on my live, you know. And also, like when you cancel, if you cancel your subscription, you still have, since the last time you paid, you still have whatever 30 days from that is. And then you have a grace period. If you don't pay, you have a 7-day grace period. So again, like if people get into a stock and they get pissed off and emotional, then they might say some stuff that they might not want to say on the live, and that might have happened. I don't know. Shit. Who knows? I'm just a guy trying to make a buck and trying to save you guys from losing yours. Do I know everything? No, that's why I practice every day. I still practice every day. You know, I keep trying to do the live sessions with paper trading with you guys, so that you guys can see what works and how it works, what my thought process is on certain things. All right, EONR 144, IPA 72 cents. What else we got moving here? Good old market market monitor over here. Let's refresh that, make sure it's clear too. So there's the market monitor right there. So what's moving, right? Let's see. What is moving? What is moving? All right. BLBX taking a break. You've got IPA taking a little run here. God dang it. I hate when my mouse goes in my iPad. I gotta turn that shit off. It's annoying. All right. Carlos Suarez, IPA, let's go. NEHC is moving. Ayushi Mishra. All right, let's go. Let's take a look at NEHC. There it is, NEHC. NEHC, there you go. All right, market opens in about 19 minutes. And I do want to kind of go over the watch list with you guys. Kind of, not go over the full watch list, but I kind of want to go over it with you. So I'm gonna take this down here. There we go. All right, so here's the watch list that I posted yesterday. I'm gonna just turn the thing there for a second. I'm not at liberty to say here, but we have, I think it was the first one. So there's IPA. There was the price target. Notice there wasn't a plus. It was just it really could have led to a dirty joke. That's funny. You guys are you guys are funny. So there's that one, right? IPA 85, right? So why would you expect anything more? So here is, and I'm going to cover that up, but here's NEHC 462. NEHC 462 right there. Look at that hit. So again, there's good stuff on the watch list. It's not a buy list. It's a, hey, it has a break. Oh, what? No problem, man. Yeah, I was a little bummed. But again, like, it's not a buy list. It's a watch list. I give you got to break this, and then it comes into play. If it breaks this, if it doesn't break that, it's not in play. You don't buy it. You just watch it. If it doesn't hold the hold, then it's completely out of play. Sweet dreams, the market open. All right, let's see. God, my nose itches so bad. All right, I have it scheduled there for you, engineering. And guys, if you haven't yet, go become followers of engineering. Go check out his profile. Here's NEHC right here, looking pretty decent. Trying to make a move, it looks like, but needs a little bit more volume. Did this nice bounce off of this support here, this trend line. All right, another double bottom here. It's trying to get back up to volume weighted average price, which is where it looks like it'll bump its head. If it can break through volume weighted average price, then it has a good chance to run up to 478. If it can't get through that, then it's coming back down. Hopefully it uses the volume weighted average price as support. Okay. And then you got right here, 492. Let's see what happens. All right. What the shit is this? No thanks. All right, we're waiting for market open for engineering's song choice. FOXO just popped up a bunch of times. Let's see what FOXO is doing. FOXO, look at that. It's making moves. FOXO 33 cents, trying to get up over 34 cents. Let's see where it's going. So here we go. Can it break? Can FOXO break through 37 cents? If it can break 37 cents, well, actually, first, this 200 EMA that it's at on the 4-hour chart, guys, check this out. Look at that. So if it can break through and stay above it, break 34 cents, you can have a nice little run on FOXO. 37 cents. My price target on it was up here, which it did hit. My price target's hit, for fuck's sake. Oof. Swear to God. Swear to God. I answer so many messages too. It's insane. It drives me nuts that yeah, I gotta shake it off somehow. I don't know. Maybe I'll shake it off later. NEHC, here we go. Let's see if I can push 457. Let's see if FOXO can get up to that 36 cents. That's where the price target is on FOXO. 36 cents. It's at 31 right now. Oh, it didn't even get there. Come on. I'll definitely shake it off with some trees. Thank you for sending me that, by the way. I appreciate you. All right, here we go. This is FOXO trying to make a little move. And it's crazy because I deal with like my uncle, my family, and I still find time to try to come on here and hang out with you guys. And I mean that, hang out with you guys, not just talk shop all the time. This drives me nuts. Can't make everybody happy. My wife tells me that too all the time. Can't make everybody happy. I go, yeah, I know. It sucks. RVSN, sorry, RVSN. What happened? Oh, I had RVSL. A limit sell, and it didn't process. What the fuck? Money man. So what could have happened? Did you have it set as EXT, or did it just not trigger? Oh, Cree, I'm happy. Happy. What are you happy about, Cree? What happened? Thanks, Carlos. I am, man. I try. I try to be a good guy, always. There's no need. The world is a cruel place, and there's no need for that shit, for being an asshole to people. Annoying. Market opens in about 13 minutes. So let's see if we can find something that's moving. I have EXT hours. It just didn't trigger. Ah, that sucks. Thank you guys. Thank you for hitting the like, the follow, and the share. I appreciate you. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention Tanmaster is a new subscriber. She subscribed yesterday. That's awesome. Thank you very much for subscribing, Tanmaster. You know what? What I'm remembering right now, and I'm just remember this. You know what? Tiger was one of the ones that I believe you guys blew up before because he said something derogatory, something about like, something about either the watch list or something about him not making money. He said something and he started backtracking. So I think Tiger's always just had a rough time with this. I think that's the problem. I think I remember that. Holy shit. That alpha brain stuff works. Holy crap. I just had like a vision. I was like, wait, I remember this. All right. What else is moving here? Let's see. This one's trying to recover. IPA's at 70 cents. EONR is at 145. EONR has been acting a little weird today. I'm gonna have to say that on that one. Let's see, BLBX. It's BLBX again. How's the clarity on YouTube? I've been curious how clear are the charts? Like, can you guys see them okay? BLBX broke through that support. Now it's coming down a little bit here, trying to come back up. It could be doing, it's very clear. Okay, cool. Awesome. Awesome. I went through a complete computer reconfiguration yesterday. It took about 3 hours of my time to try to make sure that it doesn't freeze again. FOXO, guys, it just did a nice little hammer candle right there. Hammer candle on support, which is the volume weighted average price. Here is FOXO moving on up. Let's see if it wants to break through 34 cents. FOXO. Come on, baby. Whoever's in it. I hope you guys are making money. And remember, take profits on the way up, guys. Don't wait for it to start turning around. If you're in something and you want to make money, I'm telling you, I've never heard anybody bitch and complain about losing money because they took profit on the way up. I have heard people say, "Oh, darn, I sold too early," but they still made money and didn't blow out their account. And then I've seen stocks literally turn right around and bite people in the ass. And then they're sitting there going, God, I wish I would have sold. It's a vicious fucking circle. Oh, man. Josie, yes. Thank you. Good. Clearer than TikTok. Wow, awesome. That is awesome. Damn it. It did it. See, this is what happens. See, my mouse is down here in my iPad. What the shit? Get out of there. Where's the exit? Oh, there it is. Oh, man. Okay. We have 8 minutes till market opens, guys. 8 minutes. Let's see if we can make some money on something. MDAI is moving like on my mama said. MDAI moved to $2.70. And guys, also like, oh geez, EONR just ripped to 154. Let's take a look at that one real quick. What the shit? I'm telling you, it just seems like it's acting weird. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. Maybe they're still pumping it. Not sure. There is no news. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see any news, but Eon Resources Inc. oil production increases. They do have a lot of oil on hand. I think it's like 13 million barrels or something like that. I don't know, something. VS on my mom says. VS, okay. What's up with VS? Let's see, VS. Nope, nothing on VS yet. Da, 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 da. I'm sure on my mama's got some news on it. All right. MGX. Rising bid, MGX. Man, I got so many monitors and screens now. It's insane. Oh, man. Ah, I just closed it. No. I've got so many monitors, so many screens, so much stuff to look at right now. I've got this right here. There's all my stuff. I got that I'm looking at for you guys. MGX. Look at MGX, MGX, MGX. Then you got that. Now I'm watching that. Hey, there's 2 viewers on here now. Woohoo! Look at that. I've got this screen. I got that screen. I've got my iPad right here. I've got this over here. I've got that screen over there. Guys, I am just all over the place. Oh yeah, VS expanded into Brazil. I believe they had that news last week too, if I remember correctly. On VS, market opens in about 6 minutes, guys. Let's see, VS. Yeah, right here. 116 VS Systems expands into Brazil. Shares jump. That was on the 16th. Yeah, so VS, I've seen that. That's another HC Wainwright company. So that one's also one of those that you got to be careful. FOXO, let's see where it's going. What is it doing? Double top. Careful. 34, and then you've got this right here. It looks like it's coming back down. You got those double tops on FOXO. Man. All right. And if you guys can help me out, go to jrockstocks.com, write reviews, be honest. I appreciate it. I honestly do. You know, if you guys are curious what the rules are, read the rules. It's under Learning Center. Helpful links is there as well. You know, I mean, I give you guys everything. VS may hit $3. VS almost hit $3 at 291 pre-market. Right now it's at 262, 255. God, my nose itches. Holy crap. But yeah. What's up, David Hoff? Spike on MGX. Yeah, so the monitor was showing that and I forgot to look. Thank you. There's MDAI again. I missed it. I missed it. There it is. So there's MGX. Again, you've got your strong resistance at 340. If it can break through that 340, you're golden. So we'll see what happens at market open. We will see. All right, 3 minutes. Well, 2 minutes and counting on EONR coming back up again, 152. So we're watching a few stocks here. MGX. I'm watching EONR. I'm curious as to what happens with that one. IPA, ASST. I've got so many charts over here. Let's see what else just popped up. FOXO. Lots of stuff. And I'm trying to pay attention to all your guys' comments. So I hear your music on TikTok and I don't on YouTube, but your screens are better on YouTube, but not TikTok. Eli. Well, so I have the mic right underneath my mouth, I guess, right under my chin. So the music on YouTube, again, you got to be careful with YouTube and their copyright and all that. Although I need there's a thing I need to put in the description for the music, which will allow me to play music because it's through Prism AI or Prism. God, I forgot what the app's called. But anyways, I'm working on all this stuff. I am working on it. We'll see. We'll get there. All right, POAI. Yeah, that popped up on the scanner as well. There's the little scanner. Look at that POAI right there. POAI. It's a free scanner on Webull, guys, on the mobile version. So if you guys haven't done it yet, I suggest you do. It's a great little tool. Ooh, it hit my previous buy spot from back in the day. You see this little green line? You see the B right there? Yeah. That's a previous buy for me. Okay, market's opening in about 44 seconds. Again, guys, if you haven't yet, go to jrockstocks.com. Right there, go to jrockstocks.com and become members. Subscribe, do you. I won't tell you ever to buy, sell, or hold anything. I don't tell you go to Telegram or WhatsApp or anything like that. This is what the website looks like when you go there. All right, guys. There you go. Cool? Cool. All right. Market opens in 17 minutes. So here we go. All right. Just remember emojis and tickers when market opens. And it is open. Here we go. POAI making moves 168. There we go. Let me get that. Boom. There we go. All right, IPA 74, EONR 141. You got PAOI 174. VLBX 320. FOXO 29 cents. FOXO trying to come back up here. All right, IPA 77 cents. Remember, 15 million shares at 78 cents. Remember? There's FOXO trying to come up. Here's IPA. If you guys are curious. Remember, got higher, it got higher. Now it's above volume weighted average price again on IPA. The world in the 7 seas. Goodbye, looking for something. We're at 80 cents on IPA. All right, DJT's at 35. All right, let's see what else we got here. Oh, NTRB, yep, NTRB, PDYN, PDYN's ripping. PDYN. I did say that right. PDYN. PDYN is rocking and rolling here. FOXO trying. Come on, baby. There we go. Man, I'm losing my voice again. Where's my drink? Oh, it's empty. No. Ayushi Mishra, NTRB. Yep. Come on, baby. Come on. She's a man eater. Foxo. 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 Jesus Christ. FDYN coming down from 11. A little bit of a resistance there. ASST, MGX. MGX coming up, 355. And then we have PDYN looking like it wants a little bit more. Here's FOXO, 31. Come on, remember, if it can break 34, we'll have somewhere around that 37. Maybe even, yeah, I think 37 maybe. Maybe. 37. Not financial advice, just a guy sitting here talking about stocks. All right, ASST ripping as well. Here's ASST. There you go. Back up to its resistance at 156. ASST above volume weighted average price. IPA back down to 72. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Lots of stocks ready to gut you. Be very careful. IPA is at 73 cents. It was ripping and then it dumped. Is FOXO looking good? FOXO was looking good. Let me see where it's at now. FOXO still looking pretty sharp. Still moving up nicely. Good volume. That MACD has finally got 2 green bars. RSI is above 50. Come on. RSI is coming down a little bit. PDYN just hit another high. It was at 11. Now it's at 1134. PDYN. It doesn't have news. There's FOXO pushing that 34 cents. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Come on. Woo! Oh, here she comes. Let's go. Oh, look at that. It just hit 34 cents. FOXO. Right there. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Let's go, baby. Let's get that price target. 37 cents. FOXO. Remember, take your profits on the way up so you don't get hurt. Hope you guys are enjoying this live. Hope you guys are making some money. You know, all I can ever hope for is you guys make money when you're on the live with me. And then if you need lessons, I will start giving lessons here shortly. now that I got my YouTube figured out and this OBS thing. So yeah, and then we can start discussing entries, exits. We can discuss candlestick patterns. We can discuss everything you want. All right. IPA's back up to 79.80 cents. I appreciate you guys. I really do. 6:38 now. Got to start getting the kid ready for school again. And yeah, and I got to go, shake off this butthurt feeling that I have. I made money with your help, J-Rock. I'm very grateful for your help. Thank you, Lone Wolf. I appreciate that. That's awesome. That does make me feel better. Haley's looking forward to the lessons. Beautiful. Wait, is that lessons or lesions? Haley, what are you looking forward to? I can't play like that. I'm a married man. I'm just kidding, Haley. I'm just kidding. All right. So we've got EONR down to 139. We got IPA pushing that 80 cents. We've got FOXO just kind of hanging out. Shut up. Oh, God. I love it. Okay, so we got FOXO just really having a hard time with that 34. But I'm telling you, if it can break and hold it, then you've got yourself that price target on this one. It's looking pretty good. It's looking like there's good pressure there, good buying pressure to get this thing up. Now, is there news on it or anything? No, nothing. They did just have a meeting of shareholders on January 17th. We would have to look at what they discussed. I'm pretty sure there's possibility of a split that they're talking about, because most of the time that's how it goes. Guy, man, dude, I miss Tiger. Really? Why? Why you gotta do that to me, man? All right. What else we got here? PAOI. PAOI. POAI? Yeah, POAI. Shit. POAI. It's already there. I don't know what the fudge I'm doing. POAI. POAI 180. Here we go again. FOXO moving. Trying to get up over that 34 cents. Let's freaking go. Looks like we've got IPA pushing 81 cents again. POAI right over here. Trying to get up there. 182. Wow. So I hope everything's working out for you guys, meaning I hope everything's clear, sounds good. Hope you guys are making money, and yeah, I don't know what else to tell you guys. We the people, blue collar, load, LODE. I haven't seen that pop up on any of the scanners on LODE. But hey, man, it might be doing something. I was actually looking for another one, GCTK. Saw pop up for some reason. I don't know. Oh, it popped up because it's going down. Okay. Well, it's trying to recover from that sell-off at market open. All right. We have IPA 78 cents, EONR 143, POAI 178. Let's see where ASST is. ASST trying to survive. It is above the volume weighted average price. 154, 155, break 155. We got new highs coming in. God. Come on. You can do it. You can get that new high, 183. Price target, 183 on ASST. 183 ASST. Come on, we're almost there. There we go. There's 183 on ASST. All right, guys. Well, we're getting there. We're getting there. We'll get to discussing a lot of things here. But yeah, I'm going to head on out. I hope you guys made some money. I'm going to leave you guys with a few things here. ASST. Let's see. I want to hit that button. Let's hit that. That was easy button. Come on. It's at 168 right now. 169. 170. Almost. Jeez. Lots of selling pressure right there. Let's see if we can break through. That RSI still looks pretty good. You've got the MACD looking pretty good. Come on. Break through. You got GCTK above the volume weighted average price. IPA at 81 cents. Pushing up a little bit here. ASST looking for a break of this 70 cents. Having a little trouble there. VS is at 269 right now. And we are just hanging out. I got Dr. Evil. IPA is ripping. Red Cat pumping. Nix, I don't know what Red Cat is. If it's a cryptocurrency, we don't care in this room, buddy. Wrong room. All right. How does IPA look? Right now it's at 83 cents. It's looking like it's pumping, but be careful. Remember, 15 million shares at 78 cents, I think it was. Your boys scared us of IPA. I am. I don't like IPA. I'm definitely scared of IPA. IPA is a complete pump and dump. You guys have seen it. Let's put it back on the chart here just so you guys can see it again. So IPA pumped here right before this. It pumped again. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. We're looking to see if we can get that other pump, get us to 130 on that. And if it can, then you bet your ass it's going to dump. What's up, Diego? Diego, we're also live on YouTube right now as well. Jihad, Gold Ninja, take it easy, man. Appreciate your time. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So I'm trying to get like one, that was easy for you guys here before I leave. But I know I got to leave because my kid's going to be pissed off. All right. So here's FOXO trying to get back up to 34 cents. Let's see it do it. Come on. All right. And then let's see where ASST is. ASST just sitting around that 168, 163. We've got IPA at 80 cents. EONR at 141. What do we got here? PDYN. Walk out the door. PAOI. POAL. POAI. There we go. POAI. Moving nicely here. It hit its head on 185. Came down. A little bit of rest. Still holding 171. If it breaks, that could come down to the 30 EMA, the 33, 160. If it breaks, it can run up to about $2. I'd say about 197. All right, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. I hope you guys made money. If you can, go on to J-Rock Stocks, write a review. Again, I'm sorry for getting a little crabby about, what that gentleman told me. I apologize. I am human, and I do make mistakes. And I never tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold anything. Here's POAI. Trying to push that 184, 185. ASST 160s. Let's take a look at DATS. It looks like it's moving pretty good too. Here's DATS. Absolutely ripping. It looks like it halted on the way up here. So this is DATS. All right, guys. Hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy your time with your loved ones. And again, I hope I see you guys later on. I'm going to be on at 11:30 on both YouTube and TikTok. So we'll discuss stocks some more. See if there's any runners. See if there's anything we can hang our hats on. All right, guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. And now YouTube, guys. If you haven't yet, here you go. Go to jrockstocks.com. All right, hit the like, hit the follow, hit the share, subscribe, do whatever you got to do on YouTube. I don't even know what to say yet on YouTube, but I'm going to start doing the lives. I'm going to start doing the lives on YouTube as well. And hopefully on YouTube, you can see it a lot clearer. Hopefully you can see more of like the price targets and things like that. Also, remember, this is not financial advice. This is just a crayon eating ape sitting at his computer messing around. All right, guys. So again, go to jrockstocks.com. If you haven't yet, write a review. If you've been hanging out with me right now, you've got IPA moving. It's at 85.45, 85, 87. So hopefully you guys make money hanging out with me. EONR down to 137. I don't see any news. Don't know why it did what it did, but it, other than it was a pump and dump. I'm still reluctant to say who the pump and dumper is, but he's behind a lot of these stocks that are pumping and dumping. So just be careful when you listen to social media out there. Some people say that I'm I don't know what you call it. I'm angry or something. About because I didn't get in on the pump and dump early enough. Yeah, I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. I'd rather make my money because I found the stock and I called it out correctly. That's it. I couldn't give a shit about pump and dumps. But anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out. IPA is at 86 cents. Let's see if it wants to make a move. Again, there is possibly going to be an offering of common stock, about 15 million shares. So, but that was from back in the day, from an S3. So, anyways, guys, thank you. Have a great night. I'll see you guys at 11:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time to do another one of these lives. All right, guys. Peace.